Welcome back to Peanut Garage. Today we got updates on the KX7. Stay tuned. Alright, so my friend Nathan, who owns this, was over on the weekend. We now have pop up and down headlights. We fixed a bunch of wiring on the front end where wreckers have just cut wiring. We've made patch looms and done that. We've also dived into the rest of the interior. Looks like there is only one piece missing now. We fixed the column up, made sure all the keys are working and the door locks and everything like that. Bolted the seats in. He's picked up a proper nutty original steering wheel for it, and so on and so forth. We've also done the bonnet latch as well, so the bonnet doesn't lift up itself now. So like I said in the intro, this is just a quick overview of what we've done over the weekend. That's the back new bonnet latch. Just a quick little update on this thing. So yeah, not much has changed, but 2 days of full work just to get some power onto this thing and start checking what wiring we're missing. It looks like we're missing more wiring, so we got to dive into that, check the manuals. Next time Nathan comes out, we're going to pull the dash out, make sure everything's in there connected behind there, and then we can go further. Headlights come up, pass to lights to pass work, low beam, high beam do not, so we got to dive into that and go from there. And news on the K-swap. So the engine has been acquired. It's got some rust on the cams, so we got some new cams. Managed to pick up a set for about $100. The dog is doing something. Oi, what do you got? Don't eat that. Don't. Yeah, don't do that. Gearbox plate has just turned up yesterday, day after Nathan's gone home, and we are waiting on a brand new CD09 from Japan, so that will turn up sometime in the next 6 months, so don't expect to see the K-swap anytime soon. But once we do have that gearbox here, we're going to chuck it all in and start mounting this thing up. So that was a quick update, short and sweet on this one. Not much has happened, but next time, as we said, it's going to be on. So smash that sub button. Don't forget, we're going to be blowing up the V6 Ecotec engine by nitrous. As soon as we hit that 500 sub mark, smash that button. We'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it.